Hello everyone, hope you are extremely well. If you are new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Great to have you here. Please remember to like and subscribe. It would really help us a lot as we can reach more people and it would be appreciated a lot. Thank you very much. So let's get straight into it. The similarities between Tesla and EasyEquities, two of my favorite companies in this world, and I'll talk about the various aspects and factors that they are so similar, even though they are in two completely different industries. We did a video on Tesla before. You can go check that out on the YouTube channel, as well as a video on EasyEquities named "Is This the Best Small Cap on the JSE?" So for more to understand them better, you can go check out those videos. So let's get into it. The first factor or the first similarity is they are revolutionizing their respective industries. So Tesla is in the vehicle industry, or the vehicle manufacturing industry, and EasyEquities is fintech. So Tesla is revolutionizing the industry by, as humans, we came from walking on our feet to riding horses, to riding wagons, then cars, and now this is the time for the next revolution. And that is electric vehicles and self-driving electric vehicles. And that is what Tesla is. And they are years and years ahead of their competitors. The innovation is just something out of this world. If you look at the quality of the vehicles, the amount of data they have, the artificial intelligence, and the same with EasyEquities. People normal, ordinary citizens are giving their money to these big asset management and big asset managers, institutions that take such a big chunk of their money through commissions and fees from ordinary citizens. And that is just wrong, in my opinion, because investing can be so simple. And that is what EasyEquities are changing and revolutionizing in this industry of investing. They are making investing simplistic with low fares and access to markets. And that is also what FinMeUp is about. FinMeUp is an app that educates people to be able to be their own boss in life, to go from education to execution, but to be the boss of your own finances, because investing can be simple. Business can be simple. It's tough to run your own business, but it can be simple with the right tools and the right advice without people taking massive commissions in your everyday finances. And that's what I love about EasyEquities. They are allowing people, the same with Robinhood, they are taking the money away from these commissions and these fees from the asset managers to where people can invest themselves in a simplistic way, and it saves so much money and it creates automatic education for people as people find passion in what they are doing if they are doing it by themselves. So in short, Tesla revolutionizing the vehicle industry. EasyEquities are revolutionizing the investing industry, same as Robinhood. And revolution is the movement from the past to the future. And that is what these companies are doing. Secondly, they are creating real value. Value is created when a problem is solved. That is simple. Tesla are solving the problem of obviously electric vehicles, which is good for the environment, and autonomous driving. So many years ago they said there will be self-driving cars. Tesla is doing that now, and they are creating value by that, because a self-driving car, especially over the long term, as these cars get smarter, it will be safer to travel. Because when you drive a car, you only have your two eyes and your hands on the steering wheel. But in a self-driving car, it has cameras right around the car and can see all the blind spots and all the stuff that can happen that you can't see with your two eyes looking on the road in front of you. So in the long run, it will be safer to drive an autonomous vehicle, especially electric vehicle, as it is also good for the environment. And we all know the movement to a cleaner environment at the moment. EasyEquities are creating value by giving ordinary people access to markets and investing with low fares. And it's a great concept. So they are creating real value. Then, long-term sustainability. These companies are long-term investments and long-term companies, and not just, in my personal opinion, a short, quick buck type of a company. So both companies have created these communities and fanboys and girls. They have fans. And having returning subscribers is a company's dream. And having fans, you only need 1,000 fans to build an empire of a company, because those 1,000 customers of yours that love your product will go tell 10 friends, and those 10 friends will tell 10 friends, and those 10 friends will tell 10 friends. And that is also part of both companies have free advertising going for them, because the word of mouth in that community, and word of mouth is the strongest type of marketing you can have, because people listen to other people. And if you just see a pop-up advertisement, that doesn't really work. But when your friend tells you, check this out, this is amazing, you're much more likely to go and check it out. So they are long-term sustainable, because Tesla and EasyEquities both created communities, which is my next point, that sense of community. Users or customers of both Tesla and EasyEquities love the company, the product, and the vision. So many customers, when you see the customers of these companies talk about EasyEquities or Tesla, someone that drives a Tesla, or someone that invested in Tesla, or someone that invests or trades through Purple Group, which owns EasyEquities. By the way, Purple Group owns EasyEquities, and Purple Group is listed on the JSE. So you won't be able to invest in EasyEquities on the JSE, but Purple Group, just a hint. And the community. Users love these companies, which is also part of the free advertising I just spoke of. Then, constant innovation is something amazing. A company like Apple. Apple is a phenomenal company, but where did their innovation go these past few years? Nothing new, nothing exciting, nothing strange, because all innovative products are strange when it's first released, as not a lot of people understand it usually. But they are just boring at the moment, where Tesla and EasyEquities are innovating constantly. So, innovation is basically to never stand where you are in your company, but trying new things, whether it fails or succeeds. If it fails, you learn. If it succeeds, you expand. So Tesla with the self-driving, which is just years and years ahead of their competitors. The battery strength and the amount of battery miles, the amount of miles the battery can last is just amazing. And Elon Musk, we all know, we don't have to second guess his innovation abilities. And they are expanding to new industries, especially over the long term. They'll get into the taxi industry, autonomous taxis, and you name it. Go check out the Tesla video for more. EasyEquities are also constantly innovating, even though they are still a very small company. I mean, the share price of Purple Group is something in the 50 cents. So it's still a very small company, but they have Easy Prop coming out now. They have geographic expansion into a country like Australia, where South Africans can now invest in Australian shares, in American shares, and they are constantly innovating. Like the Easy Prop is something great. It is to do with fractional investing in property. Go check out the EasyEquities or the Purple Group video out for more on that. But my point is their innovation is amazing. And before I get to my last point, let me just tell you more what we do as FinMeUp. So we have an app for you, and for more updates on these companies and other companies that we like with the similarities and the same factors that we like the innovation, the sense of community, the long-term sustainability, the creation of value. All of those are in the companies we like, and we update our FinMeUp users on the FinMeUp app, especially under the stock picks and the podcast. The stock picks is where we say what companies we are buying and selling with our reasoning, research, and opinions. So you can go check that out on the apps from Google Play. Also check out the FinMe University launching soon in the description below. It is something revolutionary, but go check that out. Then my last point. Both are the largest positions in my personal portfolio. And, well, Purple Group on my JSE portfolio, Tesla in my American portfolio. And these similarities are the reasons for that. And I can go on with the list. These companies are phenomenal. You do your own research. This is just my personal opinion, and what I've seen in talking to customers of these companies, and myself being a customer of EasyEquities. So these are some of the factors of the similarities between these companies. Let us know what you think of Tesla and EasyEquities, and even Robinhood if you want to. Do you use EasyEquities? Do you own a Tesla? If you own a Tesla, I would really like to know how it is. I want to own one day. Maybe if the infrastructure is better in South Africa, but that might take a few years for the Teslas to arrive here. But I hope you have a blessed day. Hope you enjoy this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Go check out the FinMeUp app for much more, and love you all. Cheers.